So I'm getting ready to break my fast with breakfast this morning. This is what I'm having: 3 pieces of bacon, crispy bacon. I have a bison burger, and then I have 2 eggs along with just 2 tiny slices of Kobe Jack cheese. So this is how I'm breaking my fast, and this is all carnivore. I went by the store and bought some tri-tip steak for my evening meal today. I love the tri-tip steak. When I cook it, I make sure that I rend it on all the sides. And I tell you, this steak is so juicy and so tasteful. I really, really like to eat this. I also like my ribeyes and my sirloins, but the tri-tip steaks are much more economical. As we know, the carnivore diet is a meat-based diet. I have learned to focus on eating my protein, as protein is the most important thing, especially at my age, to have, to give me energy, to make me feel better, and I love the way that it tastes. Okay, this is dinner, my last meal of the day, and I am having some tri-tip steak. I would say there's probably about 5 ounces maybe of tri-tip steak, somewhere around there. I can't measure because I have everything put up, but this is my dinner. This is how I'm ending my night. I'm getting ready to take my walk for the day, and my husband is going to walk with me today. He doesn't get out and walk a lot, so this is his first time getting out and walking in quite a while. I'm really glad that he's coming along today. I can see myself using the carnivore diet as a new tool on my weight loss journey. It has lots of benefits. I feel great. I have lots of energy. However, I am so used to doing the keto diet that I'm sure I am going to be combining the two. The field looks better. Almost all these cars parked along here have homeless people sleeping in their cars. So it's kind of scary walking through here sometimes. I'm walking through here today because it's me and my husband headed over to the store. Oh, okay. Pretty courtyard the way they got it fixed up. And the courtyard looks pretty the way they got it fixed. Actually. Across a damn street. Yeah, too late now. Going for a long walk today with the hubby. These are my carnivore deviled eggs that I made, and I'm going to share this recipe with you. I used cottage cheese, and I did end up using just a little tiny bit of salad dressing because I was out of sour cream and cream cheese. But that is what I would have used instead of the little bit of salad dressing. You all, these are so good, and I like to leave my cottage cheese kind of lumpy. I add in different seasonings, I add in different cheeses, and then I add in my bacon, and it tastes so good. I can't wait to eat this today. This is going to be my breakfast. This is how I'm breaking my fast today, along with 2 slices of bacon. So I am making my dinner, my last meal for today, and I'm just going to cook up several of the tri-tip steaks so that I can have them readily available, and also make some for my husband. Also, he loves the tri-tip steaks. I find them to be so convenient, and as I say, I like to have meat readily prepared in my refrigerator so that when I get hungry, I will have at least 2 or maybe 3 choices available to me. That makes carnivore so much more delicious by having a little bit more of a choice. That's one thing that I like about carnivore, because it's simple and it's so easy, because really you're just eating meat, and you can make several meats, put them in the refrigerator, have them handily available, and also eat the meats that you like, meats of your choice. So the carnivore diet, I find it so easy to do. The way I cook my meats, the many different ways that I can cook it, I really do like it. I'm going to be using it as, like I said, another tool to help me lose weight, help me to stay on point. And when I want really low carb days, those are the days that I will be using carnivore. So I'm going to be having some steak bites tonight, along with my last deviled egg. We have eaten these up, but I am going to be making some more. Have a great evening, and I'll see you tomorrow.